In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink your Google Forms into either Google Slides or Google Docs. This process will not only make your presentations and documents more interactive, but will also streamline your workflow by integrating forms directly into your projects. So, let's dive in. First, start by opening the Google form that you want to link. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and open Google Forms and start a new form. Once your form is ready, you'll see a Send button at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to bring up your sharing options. Here, you'll find various ways to share your form, but what we're interested in is obtaining the link to it. So, select the link icon within the Send Form menu. This will generate a direct URL to your form. It's always a good idea to click the Shorten URL checkbox to make the link more manageable, especially for inserting into documents and presentations. Once you've done that, go ahead and copy the link by simply clicking the Copy button. Now that you've got the link, let's move over to Google Slides or Google Docs, depending on where you'd like to embed your form link. Open your document or presentation where you want the link to appear. Find the text or image you want to use as a hyperlink. This could be a phrase like, "Click here to take the survey," or it could be an image like a survey icon if you're working with slides. Highlight your chosen text or select your image. Then, head on up to the Insert menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, choose Link. A small window will pop up prompting you to paste the link. Paste the URL you copied from your Google form into this field and hit Apply or OK. And just like that, you've created a hyperlink within your document or slide. To make sure everything is working smoothly, it's always a good idea to test your hyperlink. Click on it to ensure that it redirects you to the Google form. If it does, congratulations. You've successfully linked a Google form into your slides or docs. As a quick tip, if you're working on a shared document or presentation, remember to set the appropriate sharing permissions on your Google form. Ensure that everyone who needs access to the form can view and fill it out without any hiccups. This step is crucial if you're preparing a presentation or document for a larger audience or team collaboration. So there we have it. Linking Google Forms into your slides or docs is an excellent way to enhance your content and keep everything you need in one place. Experiment with this feature, and you'll discover just how seamless your projects can be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your next project even better.